Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. So, recently, we tragically lost a fellow car enthusiast and a rally enthusiast and a role model and a person who I looked up to as inspiration. We lost Ken Block. So, rest in peace to Ken Block. And you never know when your last day or your last moments here on earth is gonna be. So, today, we're just gonna go to a car show with a few of my friends, and we're doing a drive. Not really a drive, but we're gonna do a tribute drive for him. So my condolences go to you and your daughter and your family. Rest in peace, Ken Block. You will be missed dearly. What's going on, man?
Good game.
Inception, the Inception.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we're just waiting on Gary right now.
We're waiting on a lot of people right now,
And look at the sunset. Or the sunrise.
It's only me and my boy Isaiah, man.
Yeah, it's only me and Jalen so far. So we're just waiting on 2 other people, and then we're gonna head to the car show.
Yeah.
What a nice, beautiful way to start the day. Always be appreciative of life. Is that a Z? Jalen, Jalen, tell me you got that.
Oh, I did it, bro.
Damn.
Alright, so niggas is out today.
Oh yeah, we outside. Damn, I didn't get that shit.
did it?
No.
God damn it, Isaiah.
That shit sounds good as hell.
Nah,
That shit sounds good.
It's not even the real.
That's not even, bro. That's not even the old me. Bro, it's a 570. Woohoo! Oh no, this is 600. Bro, this is 600 LT. Yes, sir. This is a good meet, bro. This is a good turnout. Woo. Yeah. That boy Shell. Yo. Yes, sir. That boy. Shee.
Biggs. Oh, yeah. We got a race. Biggs. We got a race. Look at our kids. Over there.
Damn. This is the first time we were ever this deep. look at Jalen, little brother. It's not even. It's a base model. It's a base model, bro. It's a base model. We all in the middle of the street. Shit. Damn. As I get to the show, this shit happens. Sheesh. I don't know what the fuck happened. That shit clean.
My dad.
That shit is clean.
For sale.
And it's for sale. I'm not.
Nigga.
Oh, wait, hold on. IS. Oh, this bitch is clean.
I feel like this area is like way much better.
Name?
Auto. Highlighted yellow GTR. Right there, bro. Right in front of you.
I know.
Oh, hold on. I see slicks. Oh, I see B. This man got B-locks. How much power do you think he's making?
How much power?
How much power?
1700.
1700? I was about to say 11. I can see why he says 17. I say about 12.
Yeah, realistically, I say about 12.
Because if you make it 1700, you'll see like two big ass turbos in the front.
Yeah.
Look at the Ferrari. F8. 458. And that's just. Oh, there go the CTSVs. Okay, we got the Stancy Pants boy.
Screen.
What's that, the 5.0?
I don't know what that is. Definitely a V8.
Yes. Ooh, Husky. Right next to a Shelby. And a G80. It doesn't have the chop that you like.
It doesn't.
Jalen, bro, look at that shit. Is that where you going to?
We can look at that too.
Nigga, I'm looking at the R33.
This one we didn't see.
With a Blitz intercooler. Is that a manual?
Which one do you look better, the 992 or the, I think so, the 992 or the 911? I'm gonna say the 992. It's a little newer.
Disrespect to this owner. But them bitches bald.
The 992 look better for sure.
Them bitches bald, boy. It's bald boys.
Called.
Bald.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh. Got the gullwing doors.
Just be Shaq.
Oh, the E30.
Oh my god. Wait,
Oh. Yeah, that thing is gorgeous. Carbon hood.
Y'all don't know about that.
You got a Momo steering wheel. I wonder.
Let's say in reverse.
I don't know. Oh wow. Some true Japanese shit. ATL JDM. I like those seats. This is two. This is one clean. Whew. That's a sick ass S14. Whoever owns this car, this is nice as hell. Beautiful cars, beautiful, beautiful cars. Oh, another drift car. No way. Jalen freaking out. Look at this.
Bro, I didn't even recognize. I didn't end up getting the car, dude.
You didn't realize it was R34?
Right, I just realized the R34 because I passed.
You know how much these seats are?
Yeah, bro.
Almost $2,000. Them bitches expensive, bro.
I told you that.
R34.
Worse than sparkles. I saw that. Yeah, I saw this.
Oh, and he got pillar gauges. Oh my god. It's a rare sighting. Does he have the He does. He got gauges.
And I saw and I passed this shit.
Oops, sorry. Yeah, 2023. These bitches just became legal too.
This might be the thumbnail.
Right, bro. This needs to be the thumbnail.
This might be the thumbnail.
So this Young Dolph's collection, yeah, Jalen, yeah, this Young Dolph's collection, bro. That shit crazy as fuck.
So who brought it here? His family or something?
Probably, gotta be, cause this is Demon right here. Yep. Yes, sir. That's Young Dolph shit. That shit crazy.
How you spot that?
Cause I know it's Corvette. I know it's C8. That's really crazy. This is really Young Dolph's collection, actually. Not even just his car. All of these are, well, was his cars. Oh, look at the Urus. Well, you see those everywhere.
Yeah, I see it.
This is actually a clean ass 720. Rolls Royce. That shit is fucking. Chill,
Oh, it's carbon? Oh, shit.
Oh, this shit hard. 458.
Rev it earlier. Do it again.
That shit sounds great. Oh, it's the 06.
Oh, shit. Look at that.
It's a clean ass Subi. And it's right hand drive. I hate people.
See that one?
That's a full race. That's a track car. And they got his ass. They about to get him. That's tight. Got an RC car towing an RC car. All right, you guys, I guess that's the end of the show. I was gonna go to the Chem Block cruise, but I really don't feel like cruising by myself. But yeah, everyone left. The beat's dying down. I had fun, but yeah, catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed.